When it comes to decorated garments and accessories, customization always warrants premium profit potential. When it comes to headwear, you can consider different locations or even personalization. But have you considered under the hat bill? Keep watching as I show you exactly how to create this look. What's up everyone, I'm Kelly Walters and today we are decorating on hat bills, specifically the underbill of a hat. Now I showed you this just a couple of seconds ago, but because of the Hotronix Fusion IQ, which is this press right here, we can simply put in our hat bill platen extremely easy into this press and pop out 4 different hats in one press. Now I'm going to show you how to decorate one in just a second, but let me just show you how easy this is. We're going to take our hat, flip it upside down, lay it here, and now you have 4 hats that are easily ready to be applied. Now there's different types of transfers that you can use, from twill to vinyl to direct to film, and I'm going to show you an assortment in just a second, but let's go ahead and press on one of these hats. Now today's hat that we're decorating is our Richardson 213. Now we're just going to flip it upside down, make sure that the bill is as flat as possible, and push it alongside that curve. Now for the material that we are using, it's going to be our CAD-CUT soft metallic. So this is an HTV, and with this, as you can see, this is what the transfer looked like when it was cut, and this is what it looks like once it has been weeded. So all we have to do is take the design. In this particular case, we're using personalization. We're going to place it along the bill and then swing our press back into position. Now this material applies at 285 degrees for 8 to 10 seconds and medium pressure. It is a cold peel, so once we lift up our press, we want to make sure that we pull our hat and set it aside before we reveal the design. All right, so press up. This is what it looks like once it's been pressed, and like I said, we want to make sure this is cold before we peel. Okay, our hat has had some time to cool down, and like I said, it needed to be cold, so make sure that it is ice cold. Now from here, we're just going to peel gently since this is a very thin material, and as you can see now we have a finished look. You could put this back under the press, give it one more hit for about a couple of seconds, and get a matte brushed metal look. Another example would be using our CAD Prints Glitter Flake. And here we've matched glitter flake on the bottom as well. Now this one is specifically for a sports team, where the other was personalization with a name. Another great option is our, again, flex style PVC, but here we're going to do something generic with our Chroma Bling. That way you could easily put this on a variety of different items and for different schools. Last but not least would be our print stitch embroidered patch. Now for this option, we chose our soft flock, and as you can see, this is going to have a little bit more of a retail look with a fun phrase or word. Now because this is all customization and personalization, you can easily choose to go with somebody's name, team name, activity or event, or of course something that just makes you smile. Now I showed you just how easy it is to decorate under the hat bill, but don't forget, with the hat bill platen, you can easily add and decorate other items on there as well, such as sleeves, polos, bottoms of shorts, pants, wrists. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I'm Kelly Walters, and happy decorating.